Paris, a city I've seen in movies my whole life. But today, I'm experiencing it for real. Coming from the island of Mauritius, which was colonized by France for over a century, from the 1715 to 1810, French culture has always been part of our lives. Growing up, we used to watch a lot of French movies and cartoons. And most Mauritians speak French fluently. Bonjour, je m'appelle Adriano et je suis en train de faire une vidéo sur Paris. But to be honest, I never had a strong interest in visiting Paris or the rest of France. Until now, I finally decided to give it a shot and see it for myself. Is Paris really worth it? I woke up super early and headed straight to the Eiffel Tower. And honestly, I was not prepared for that.
Well, this is the famous Eiffel Tower.
Having this view of the Eiffel Tower is really amazing. I had some ideas that it might be actually underwhelming, but it's not really so beautiful. So it's worth to come out here to check out the Eiffel Tower.
Standing at 333 meters tall, it completely dominates the skyline. It captures your attention instantly. And it definitely deserves a good 5 minutes just to stand there and appreciate this masterpiece. No matter how many pictures you've seen online, nothing prepares you for seeing the Eiffel Tower in real life. It looks impressive from every angle. Seeing it for the first time might blow your mind, but Paris seems to have a lot on offer. Of course, you can't start a day in Paris without a proper French breakfast. Most bakeries open between 7 to 8 o'clock in the morning, and my mission was simple: find the best croissant in Paris. So naturally, I had to test a few. Honestly, this might be one of the best croissants I've ever had. Sometimes the simplest things in Paris are the most memorable. One of the best ways to explore Paris is simply walking along the beautiful streets and the banks of the Seine River.
So breakfast is done. Now it's time to walk around and explore some of these arrondissements that is here in Paris.
The city is incredibly walkable, and I walked to almost every point of interest that I wanted to check out. What really struck me was the architecture. Every street feels like a movie set. If you enjoy walking, I highly recommend making it your main way of getting around. You can easily spend half a day just wandering through the different neighborhoods of Paris, known as arrondissements. Each one has its own charm and character to it. After walking for a while, I made a quick stop to recharge at the Luxembourg Garden, otherwise known as Jardin de Luxembourg in French. Created in the early 1600s, this park spans more than 25 acres and is divided into both French-style gardens and English-style gardens. In my opinion, it might just be the most beautiful garden in Paris. It's the perfect place to relax, slow down, and watch the Parisian life unfold in front of you. Not far from the gardens, you will notice another impressive landmark, the Panthéon.
So le Panthéon de Paris, right at my back, is quite an iconic building here. And from here you have also a very beautiful view of the Eiffel Tower in the far distance. So this building is iconic because it is used as a resting place for the people that have helped to shape the history of France. So it's quite a nice spot to get some photos. So come out here and check it out.
It's one of those places where you really feel the weight of history. As the evening approached, I headed back closer to my accommodation. After a quick change of clothes, I was ready to explore one of the most famous neighborhoods in Paris, Montmartre. And immediately, it feels like a completely different side of the city. More artistic, more relaxed, and almost like a small village inside Paris.
It's a nice Sunday here in Paris today. We are here in Montmartre, and now we are just walking towards the Sacré-Cœur de Montmartre, the most elegant church in Paris. So it's just over there.
At the very top of Montmartre sits the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica. The Basilica is built on the highest hill in Paris, about 130 meters above the city. Construction began in 1875, and today it's one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. Inside, I was mesmerized by the massive mosaic ceiling, and outside you get one of the best panoramic views of all of Paris. Even though it was raining a little when I visited, it made the atmosphere even more magical. While exploring Montmartre, I stopped by the lively Place du Tertre, where artists paint portraits of visitors and sell their artwork. Just a short walk away, you will find something quite unique. The Wall of Love. This monument celebrates love with the words "I love you" written in more than 250 languages. A fun little game for tourists to do here is to try and find their own language on the wall.
So first day in Paris, and we have walked over 23,000 steps. So this is just the first day, and there are more to come.
And that was my first day exploring Paris. And honestly, it surprised me more than expected. But this was just the beginning, because Paris has a lot to offer. If you want to continue following this adventure, click on the next video.